Welcome to Pure Bonheur, where we delve into the world of Reiki and its transformative power. In today's video, we will explore the important aspects of treating others with Reiki. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or new to Reiki, these tips will enhance your healing sessions and deepen your connection with the universal life force. Before we begin, it's crucial to note a few important points to ensure the safety and effectiveness of your Reiki treatments. First, never give a Reiki treatment to someone with a pacemaker, as Reiki energy can potentially interfere with its rhythm. Additionally, individuals with diabetes mellitus who are on insulin injections should monitor their insulin levels closely, as Reiki may reduce the required dosage. When a client visits you for the first time, it's essential to explain the Reiki treatment process and potential reactions they may experience. Emphasize that these reactions are normal and that everyone's experience may vary. Some clients may feel intense heat or extreme cold at the position of your hands, while others may not sense any physical sensations during the session. Assure them that Reiki works on subtle levels, and its effects may become apparent in the following days or weeks. Remember, as a practitioner, you are merely a channel for the healing energy. Your role is to facilitate the client's healing on a subconscious level. No extensive knowledge of human anatomy or physiology is required. Let go of your ego, trust in the power of Reiki, and allow the energy to flow. Listen to your client's body through your hands and trust your intuition. Sense the different types of energy and pay attention to nonverbal communication, such as deep sighs or movements. These are positive indicators that healing is taking place. The typical duration for a full-body Reiki treatment is between 60 to 90 minutes. As you progress in your practice, you will develop your own intuitive approach to hand positions. However, it's helpful to have a guide to get started. Begin by ensuring your client is lying comfortably on the therapy table, with arms down by their sides and legs flat against the table. Avoid crossing the legs, as this may hinder the flow of Reiki energy. For sensitive areas such as burnt skin or the genitals and breasts, hold your hands just above the body without direct contact. Remember, these hand positions are meant to serve as a guide. Trust your intuition and let it guide you where Reiki is needed. Position 1. Cup your hands and gently rest them over your client's eyes, cheekbones, and forehead, where his third eye chakra is located. This position addresses issues such as stress, eye problems, asthma, head colds, allergies, and balances the pituitary and pineal glands. Position 2. Place your hands on the top of your client's head, with palms covering the crown chakra. This position can aid in relieving migraines, headaches, eye problems, multiple sclerosis, stress, bladder and digestive disorders, and emotional imbalances. Position 3. Rest your hands on either side of your client's head, covering their temples. This position helps balance energy, addresses tinnitus, hearing and ear problems, colds, flu, and harmonizes the functions of the right and left brain. Position 4. Move your hands to the back of your client's head, covering the occipital ridge. This position assists with headaches, eye problems, stress, hay fever, sinuses, digestive disorders, fears, phobias, shock, depression, and stroke recovery. Position 5. Place your hands along your client's jawbones, covering the throat chakra. This position supports self-expression, communication, breathing, voice and speech, and can address bronchitis, flu, colds, and anger issues. Position 6. Rest your hands on your client's shoulders. This position can help relieve aches and pain in the arms, elbows, and hands, relax tight shoulder muscles, alleviate stress, and improve blood circulation. Positions 7 to 12. Begin by forming a T-shape, with palms covering the heart chakra and collarbone. Then move your hands down and across the torso, covering the solar plexus and sacral chakras. Form a V-shape to cover the root chakra. Finally, place your hands over your client's knees and feet. These positions address major organs and glands, aid in disease prevention, support the digestive and reproductive systems, and help release emotions and leg pains. Before and after the sessions, you can proceed to an energy cleansing by passing your hands 3 times on the body of the receiver. Start from the head and go down slowly to the feet. Repeat the scanning 3 times before starting and 3 times after finishing. Remember, these hand positions are a foundation, but Reiki is a highly intuitive practice. Trust your instincts and let the universal life force energy guide you as you treat others with Reiki. Thank you for joining us in exploring the art of treating others with Reiki. By deepening our connection with the healing energy and honoring our intuition, we can create powerful and transformative healing experiences for those in our care. May your journey with Reiki be filled with love, compassion, and profound healing.